Hey, yo, MFG fam, come here, let me rap with you for a second, man. There's way too many of y'all that are out here doing great jobs in manufacturing and don't even know about our best kept secret, MEPs. Now, I am the MFG, so it's only right that I tell you about MEPs. It's like our manufacturing industry's best kept secret. The problem is, it shouldn't be a secret at all. MEP stands for Manufacturing Extension Partnership. And guess what? There's one in every state. Some states have more than one. Now, a lot of y'all have it all wrong. A lot of y'all think that MEPs, if you know about them, are only here to help you with things like OSHA paperwork, taxes, things like that. But let me tell you, MEPs are doing major stuff, and they're helping with something that you and all manufacturers right now can really use a leg up on: workforce. And that's right, they can help you close that skills gap. They can help you find your next talented manufacturing employee or the person that's going to take you to the next level that you need to get to. But if you're not using MEPs, you can feel stuck. You can feel like this isn't going to happen for you. But let me tell you about some of the cool stuff that the MEPs got going on right now. I want you to think as MEPs as like your superhero team. I want you to think of them as the Justice League or the Avengers, and you're the leader. They're here to help you. They can take down whatever villains are afflicting your machine shop right now. That could be help with securing new technology. That could mean help with training people to run that new technology. That could mean things like paperwork and taxes. But it could also mean amazing things like some of these workforce initiatives. Take the Polaris MEP, for example. Up in Rhode Island, Lindsay Brickles got a workforce training center inside of the women's prison, helping people get these skills that they need to get their lives turned around, and more importantly, helping you all find amazing workers that are loyal, that are ready to take you to the next level. Go a little bit south and you might run into DVIRC, right there in the Delaware Valley in Pennsylvania. DVIRC is like none I've ever seen. I'm talking about bringing in big partnerships like the Navy and the MIB, bringing in manufacturing training cohorts, running awareness campaigns. Have y'all seen their Moonshot yet? Or go even a little bit more south to Indiana. At Purdue University, they're linking up with the local MEP, and they've got training centers and certification programs that are getting people right from the prison into your shop, ready to work, ready to be your next top employee, or even run that thing for the next 20 to 30 years. Now, these are the types of things that you can really lean into your MEPs for. Or you can check out the homies IMEC in Illinois. Shout out to Dave Boulay. You've probably seen a lot of their different initiatives, but one that I'm quite fond of is the Make It in Illinois campaign and the May Tour, where we're hitting up 5 different cities in the state of Illinois, going to the technical colleges, showing people in real life what's out there for them in these great MFG careers right in their backyard. These are just a few examples of how manufacturing extension partnerships are helping people all around the United States. Whether you're struggling with workforce outreach and development, modernizing your operations, or you need help expanding your market reach, MEP has the tools, the resources, and the connections to make it happen. So here's what I need you to do right now. If you're a shop, if you're looking to start a shop, if you're looking to get into the industry, comment your name, your shop, and your region right now, and I'm going to connect you with your local MEP in that area. Remember, in MFG, we're stronger together. So that means when we link up, there's nothing that we can't accomplish. So don't forget, comment your region below, reach out to your local MEP, and stay tuned. Next month at South by Southwest, myself and the NISTs will be showing the world what manufacturing can do when we link up and we get together. We build these ecosystems and we rebuild communities. Make sure you sign up for our South by Southwest session if you're in Austin. If not, stay tuned for the replay. Talk to y'all soon, MFG fans.